Hood, What's good, Hoodrich fam? Hoodrich Credit tabbing in. Look, y'all, today I got a very special video for you guys today. Today I'm gonna pull up on a subscriber. He's a 19-year-old and he's trying to get a new whip. He's trying to get a Camaro or either a Corvette. I'm not sure. We're gonna find out right now, so I'm gonna link up with him right now. I'm gonna look over his profile. We're gonna see what qualifications he needs to meet. We're gonna apply for an auto loan with something like PenFed or something like Navy Fed since he has a relationship, or another lender if they're giving him too much of a high interest rate. So yeah, y'all, I'll catch y'all over there. Let's go over there. That way the dogs can't bark at us. We're gonna look over his profile, y'all. We're gonna see what's on his report. You say you was trying to get a Camaro?
Yeah, 2SS.
What was the other car you was showing me, bro?
The Corvette.
Corvette?
Yeah, but that one had like 60K. I wasn't gonna get approved for that one.
Who you say you got declined with? You went to a dealer last time?
No, I didn't get declined, nothing. No, but the PenFed when you sent me the
when you pre-qualified.
Pre-qualified,
okay.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah. 100 payment history. You got that Cap 1 card. You got a $300 limit. That's a little downside, but
yeah,
we're building that relationship with these credit unions. No derogatories. Oh, that's why. Credit age, you just opened this shit, ain't it?
Yeah, like 4 or 5 months ago.
You got that self-lender that I remember I told you.
Yeah, I've been doing that one too. I was at like 657 or something.
And you got that Cap 1 card that you just got. You just got that shit 3 months ago? Yeah, because it's telling me right now 3 months. Like anything fewer than 6 months, bro, they're gonna look at you and like be like,
what the hell,
yeah, you just applied for some shit. Your profile is good, but it's thin.
Yeah.
Like you need to add new accounts on that shit. That way it could age a little bit. That way you could guarantee that approval. How much is it in total? The
car is like 26 grand.
26K? That's what they told you with taxes and everything?
No, not included, but I was thinking with the dealer fees, they're gonna try to play us.
Yeah, they're gonna bag you, bro. They're gonna probably like, sometimes they be doing that shit up to like let's say, all right, it's 26, right? With the fees and everything, they'll probably try to put that bitch up to like 35 plus. You really should just pay a dealer fee, a doc fee, that's it. That's the only fees that should be involved. But the thing is, I don't know if they're gonna approve you, but we could try the pre-qualification. That was the cheapest Camaro that you saw?
Nah, there's another one for 18 grand.
18?
Yeah, and that one's in Miami.
Is clean title or not?
I think so too, yeah.
It gotta be clean title.
Yeah, because if it's rebuild, you told me about it. Like,
yeah,
rebuild,
they're not gonna try to finance it, bro.
Yeah.
Pull up PenFed. All right, y'all, let's see what's up, man. Cause he got a 3-month-old account. You know, that should be 6 months. If they decline you for the pre-qualification, what you need to do is add AU trade lines on your shit. You don't got someone around you with an old credit card with like good payment history?
Probably my dad. I'll have to ask.
Make sure you don't got missed payments. You got like a decent credit card limit, balance low, and at least some age on it. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
How you feel about being on the camera, bro?
This shit chill, bro. I'm just vibing.
Yeah, you vibing?
Yeah. I used to do YouTube all the time, bro. I used to play Fortnite, Call of Duty.
All that shit. Yeah, I used to do the same shit, bro.
But then I just stopped. I was like, bro, it's not going nowhere. So I just
that's the same shit with me, bro. I used to live stream and everything, bro. See if I pre-qualify. Not yet a member. When you're a first-time buyer, when it comes to an auto loan, like the max that they're gonna be willing to extend to you is something like 25 to 30K with little to no credit history. But anything past that, you're automatically gonna get denied because you don't got comparable credit. Like you don't got some high limit credit cards on your report, or you don't got a vehicle at least half of what you're trying to get approved for. But we gonna see if they throw them an offer. All right, what you said the loan amount was?
For the car?
Oh, let's say it comes out. Let's say it comes out to like 30.
Then the other one's 18.
Let me see the other one real quick.
Gotcha. Oh no, it's 13. But it's 13, but without all the taxes and the dealer fees too, so it bumps it up even more.
13.7. You should message this guy and ask if it's a clean title. It's a 2019. What about the other one?
The other one I think is a 2020, I think. And the self-lender, I'm like, that's basically nothing for because it's not really like a real like bank or anything, right?
Yeah, you need to build up your profile a little more. Try to get 2 AU trade lines. Like I said, you got that Navy account. You still haven't got it?
I still haven't got it, bro.
Bro, you ain't do the backdoor method?
Nah, bro, I still haven't, bro. Every time I go, bro, I mess up any little thing, bro, and I hang out like, damn, they gonna get my ass, bro. So I don't.
Well, you be nervous on the phone and shit?
Not really. It's just like I don't like once they like tell me try to give me their get information, I just be like, damn, I don't even have this shit, and I just hang up.
Oh, what you be like you don't got your SSN on you or some shit like that?
Yeah, I don't got nothing on me, and then like I'll have to go through my thing, and like I don't want them. Oh, you got the military ID, and like
nah, they ain't gonna ask you that shit, bro.
They won't.
Nah, if they already asking you for your information, that's to open up a checking account, bro.
I thought they were gonna go and ask all those crazy questions. Oh,
nah,
where
bro.
he served at and stuff. So I was like,
Oh, you just say the Navy. Everybody do this shit. Like this is the next Camaro that they want 26 for. It's alright, yeah, it's nice. They got 4G autos on them.
Yeah. That's,
Oh yeah, they got 4G autos
There's
on
a
them.
buzz right there, bro. Like, hey, bro.
Yeah,
You
them
can't
big
beat
boy
that.
4G autos. That's a Florida thing, man. So right now we just messaging the guy on the out the door price for the cheap Camaro. And you 19 right now, right?
No, I'm 18.
18?
Yeah.
18, man. Everyone that you graduated with from high school, you gonna pass them, bro. I'm telling you. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you, the people that graduate high school, bro, they either go straight to the military or they go to college with no direction. But credit, like, you could live off this shit if you know how to use it correctly.
Yeah.
Oh shit, around 16.5 out the door,
Out the
yeah.
door.
We
It's
might
so
look
bad.
like you gonna get approved, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you, even with a thin profile. So this time we're gonna ask for, he said around 16.5. Let's do 18. Now with me, as a first time buyer, I remember I had got an Infiniti Q50 and that shit ran me like 21.5. And I only had self-lender, I had kickoff, I had a Navy Fed secured credit card. But the thing is with that Navy Fed secured card, I had that shit for around 6 months.
Damn, yeah, so you had age on
I had
there.
age on my profile already. That's
Yeah.
how I got approved. And I got approved for like a 5.4% interest rate, which was good at the time. Now, like, interest rates are a little higher. They might hit you with like 7%, bro. Like how your profile is looking like right now, if they decline you, then we would have to wait a good 2 to 3 more months. Let's see if it goes through, man. It should go through. 18K application. They should give you an offer. If not, PenFed just being stingy. Because any credit union right now, as a first-time buyer, will approve you for that amount. All right, continue. All right, see, they deny it, bro. Yeah, because the thing is, look, if you go to the dealer right now, right, and you go and try to apply for their financing, they're gonna hit you with a high interest rate. They're gonna get you approved, bro.
Yeah, they're gonna get me approved because they want the money.
Exactly, but
Yeah.
they're gonna want to make you put a down payment. Like you said, you had 3 bands on you. They're gonna tell you, yeah, put the 3 bands up. They're gonna go with a lender. They call it predatory lenders, like a predatory bank that's gonna hit you with something like. They hit Rico. He was a first-time buyer for his scat.
Yeah.
And they hit him for 18% interest rate.
I seen that.
You get what I'm saying,
I don't
bro?
Go through that, bro.
Y'all, so we did check the application status, obviously due to like little to no credit history, but I disagree with the application because, bro, like, you are a first-time buyer and you're only asking for an 18K auto loan. He's gonna open up a Navy Federal membership application. Once you open up the application with Navy Fed and you already got your checking account, you're gonna do the auto loan application with Navy Fed and see if they throw you an offer. Or we could do Chase. You got a Chase account?
My dad has a Chase account.
You could do Chase too. You could try with Chase. We could try it right now. Fuck it. We might as well do Chase. It's a soft pull. You don't have to worry. All right, this is what they said, y'all. They said we can't pre-qualify you right now, but we can help with the next steps. This didn't impact your credit score and you still have options. Just make an account with Navy tonight. And if they tell you something you don't understand, you just call me up, bro, and I'll guide you through it. That's like the only option, bro. I don't want you to get screwed over when you go over there.
I don't even want, bro. I told my dad too, bro. If we don't even get like this auto loan, bro, I'm not even like, I'm not even gonna go over there and waste my time, bro.
Some are good dealerships. I'm not here just to bash dealerships. Some, like, they have decent fees, bro. Like, they got.
But they need to also make their money.
They gotta make their money. I understand that. They're in the business of making money, and they gotta add a couple margins on top of the original price where they get the vehicle from the auction. I understand the whole game, but I'm just saying, like, some they be overdoing it. But yeah, just do that tonight, and then let me know how that shit goes, bro.
Right.
Let me know how that shit plays out. All right, then, brother. Damn, y'all, man. It sucks that we couldn't get him an offer, but it's because his credit profile is very thin, man. I told him, don't go to the dealership because they going to bag his ass, bro. They going to get his ass with, just like how they did Rico, bro. 18% interest rate. And when you young, bro, and when you think you know it all, bro, that's how they get you. I remember when I pulled up to the dealer, I was about to explain it, but the fucking camera overheated. I pulled up to the dealer when I was trying to get my first vehicle because I ain't had no vehicle. I would go to work and borrow my mom's whip, and my mom obviously wanted to go out, and she would be like, bring the car, yada yada yada, and I would have to start taking a bus to work, and it was just a stressful situation. So I remember I pulled up to the dealership and I tried to get that Infiniti Q50, but they were taxing. I was trying to get the vehicle at like 22K, and they had some that were like newer models at like 40K. They don't even talk about the vehicle prices or nothing. They just walk with you, talk about life and all that, and then when it comes to business, when it comes to getting on that table, that's where they talk about the numbers and everything. Me being a dumb jit, just learning about credit, just getting into the credit space, I was already putting my SSN on the application. I was putting in all my basic information, and they ran my credit like 6-7 times trying to get me approved for that Infiniti Q50 for 40K when I had the auto loan check with Navy Fed. This is the crazy part, y'all. I had a 22K check with Navy Fed, something like that, right? I just had to use my draft check with Navy Fed, but instead he was already giving me financing through other banks, and I was supposed to cancel the other Navy Fed check when that wasn't my plan. He was trying to get me approved for that loan, for that 40K Infiniti Q50 loan, when originally I wanted an older model at a 20K out the door, 22K out the door price. And then I remember that all the banks were denying me for the auto loan application. And then we were looking around the lot and he was trying to get me into a Mustang instead. And I had no ride back home. I was like, fuck it, bro. Let me just get a Mustang, bro. Like, I was down bad at that point, bro. And I was signing the papers and the Mustang was at like 11% interest rate. And my sister finally called me back and she said, no, don't get the vehicle if you don't want this vehicle. Like, I'll go pick you up. Don't worry about it. Yada, yada, yada. And I didn't end up getting that Mustang, but I was about to sign papers for a Mustang. For a car I didn't even want it in the first place, bro. They'll get your ass, bro, when you don't know about this shit. And turns out the next day there was a Q50, an older model, like a 2017, 2018, right across from that dealership. I got it for like 21.5 out the door. That's why you see me on videos now trying to help out the youngins out here, or help out anybody who's trying to get a vehicle, because I remember when I was in that situation, they was about to get me. And for the people that are trying to get into these vehicles the right way, y'all tap in, man. I already have everything pre-recorded on how to get a vehicle the right way with something like Navy Fed or something like Penn Fed in my mentorship class. Y'all tap in, man. Don't get finessed out here.
Hood rich.